Imagine cash that never crumples, coins that never clink. Welcome to the world of central bank digital currencies. CBDCs, or central bank digital currencies, are digital versions of traditional money, issued directly by governments. They first hit headlines in the 2010s, but now, over 130 countries are exploring or piloting them. Why? CBDCs make payments faster, cheaper, and more secure. But there's a catch. Governments can track every transaction. That's raising big questions about privacy and financial freedom. Supporters say CBDCs will fight fraud and boost financial inclusion. Critics worry about surveillance and loss of control over your own money. Meanwhile, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies promise freedom and anonymity, but they aren't backed by any government. So, are CBDCs the next leap for money, or a threat to crypto's dream of independence? One thing's certain, the way we pay, save, and spend is changing fast. Are you ready for the future of finance?